everyone. Let's have facts about Amazon rainforest. Number 10. 1/4 of the world's Western medicine uses ingredients come from the Amazon rainforest. Number 9. 70% of the plants which work against cancer cells come from the Amazon rainforest. Number 8. The rainforest has been in existence for at least 55 million years, and it is world's largest tropical rainforest, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. It is so big that the UK and Ireland would fit into it 17 times. Number 7. This area of immense natural beauty is sometimes referred to as the lungs of the earth. This is because the rich vegetation takes carbon dioxide out of the air and releases oxygen back in. Number 6. The Amazon delivers 55 million gallons of water into the Atlantic Ocean every second. Number 5. It shelters 10% of the world's known biodiversity. Number 4. Due to the thickness of canopy, that is, the top branches and leaves of the trees, Amazon floor is in permanent darkness. In fact, it is so thick that when it rains, it takes around 10 minutes for the water to reach the ground. Number 3. Around 30% of our carbon emissions come from burning the Amazon rainforest. Number 2. The Amazon rainforest fire, ranging for over 20 days in August 2019, is producing a devastating effect on the region. And the last one, the Amazon has lost 20% of its size because of deforestation to create the Trans-Amazonian Highway. Thank you for listening.